Our class social quiz 2078. If you participate, if you take active part on this program or in this class, then we can solve all the very short questions easily, and also it will be helpful for further education, higher education, bridge course, and the public service commissions, and many more. Okay, Chalak has more to say about previous class. Is Chalak or not? Hello, Chalak. And section E and section F students also uh, listen to me, and also you can also take active part in this social quiz, especially for very short questions. As I said before, Chalak is joining over here. Hello, Chalak. Is Chalak here or not?
Sure, sir.
Yes, you can share what I said before. Yeah, you can share, and you can also tell us about the score sheet and also participants regarding previous period or social quiz 2078.
Okay, sir. At first, welcome to everyone. Good afternoon. And now I'm going to express the tally marks along with the participants of quiz which has held on last Friday. Yes, out of all participants that we asked about 25 questions to 14 participants, and that those participants, those students who are able to qualify the max are as follow. Yes, number one, Lalita Thapa with 1 max, and Ashika Dakal 1 max, Vijaya Maka 1 max, Ayush Ranjit Kar 1 max, Amrit Tamang 1 max, Sumitra Karki 1, Joel Manandar 1. And other remaining participants are unable to register their max with right answer. It's at last but not least, and I'm going to have the right to speak to our quiz master Mangleshwar sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chalak. Uh, Except our Chalak, if anybody wants to say, then you can say. Otherwise, I'm starting because today we have yet another round, which is top round. In top round, also you can say your answer within 5 seconds, and as a timekeeper, Sajan, as a scorekeeper, and as a helper or volunteer, we have Chalak Khatri and Sajan Shrestha. And today we have 10E and 10F students also. You can also take active part. If you are in confusion for few minutes, you can watch this video so as you can have clear concept. Here we go. Now, Chalak and Sajan, get ready or not? And all students, so far we have how many students? Yes, 29 students. And regarding previous class, we have shown these pictures. Rujita Prajapati is coming here. Amrit Tamang as well. It is just highlight of previous period. Okay, we start from diesel round. Two people are coming here, and they are Sami Srijana and Riya Gosain. Okay. Okay, two students name I want. Jalak, start. Two students name. At first from section A, then after you can
At
take
first,
also name from section E and F.
Sir, Lalita Thapa and Deepak Bika at first.
Hello, Lalita and Deepak. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Is Lalita ready? Hello, Lalita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who?
Hazir, sir.
Yeah. Who is she? And Deepak as well. Who is she?
Yes, sir.
Sir, मलाई हो.
Sir,
Who is saying? I'm saying just for Lalita. This question is dismissed.
okay.
I think Deepak is saying. Okay, for once again for Lalita. Which program is again for Lalita?
Sir, question नै सुनेन.
Tell us about this picture. Finished. Or which
Sir,
program?
यो चाहिँ त्यो विरोध र्याली काला पानी र त्यो नाला पानीको विरोध र्याली हैन.
Wrong. Not Nala Pani, Kala Pani.
Sorry, लिम्पी हजुर.
Hello, Deepak. Are you ready? Deepak, full name, Chalak. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
full name of Deepak? Okay, Deepak, you have to say.
So Deepak,
Okay, Deepak. Now tell me, which waterfall is this one?
Yes, sir.
Which waterfall?
One second, भन्नु.
Which waterfall is this one? Waterfall's name. I want.
Devil Fall.
It is false. Wrong answer. Anybody? Hello, audience, spectators, viewers, whatever you say, my dear students.
Sir, I think it's Victoria Fall.
Yeah, that's right. Ayush is right. Right. This is of, yeah, two names. Hello, Chalak.
Sir, Vijaya Maka and Ayush Ranjit Kar.
Okay, Vijaya and Ayush. For Vijaya. Hello, Vijaya, ready or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
A left-hand side person, yeah, definitely. This person, I think you are viewing my cursor. Who is he? It is related to Second World War. Only for Vijaya.
Hitler.
Hey, who is saying what? What went wrong? Again, this question is dismissed. Don't violate our rules.
Sir, yo, sir,
This time
sir,
of-
yo, site में hello, sir.
Yes.
यो साइटमा हजुर जुङ्गा जस्तो हेर्नुहोस् सर हजुरको जस्तै अनुहार रहेछ
It is your opinion. Resemblance. मेरो जुङ्गा छ त अनि. Okay, anyway.
I'm sorry,
Okay,
I'm
for
just kidding,
Vijaya, right
sir.
hand side. Hello, Vijaya, right hand side. With cap. Not the left. With company cap. Who is he? Related to Second World War. Vijaya,
Yes, sir. I see.
saying or not? Oh, hey, 5 seconds. Sajan is not
General Frank is so.
wrong answer. It is. Who is he? Everybody.
Mussolini.
हिटलर हो
Yeah,
हिटलर
he is Hitler.
अनि मैले अघिदेखि हिटलर हिटलर भनिरहेको छु
No, मैले हिटलरको यताको सोधेको थिएँ यताको. Is there problem in
ए
Sajan? Sajan, is there problem? Sajanको problem भयो स्नेहा as a timekeeper. Just Sajan has entered. अघि थिएन कि क्या हो? ल टाइम पनि झलकले नै हेडी गर्नु है अहिले साजन नआउँदैसम्म. Okay, next one. We send along with Vijay.
Sir, Aman,
Yes,
Ayush Ranjit.
Ayush. Okay, Ayush.
Ayush Ranjit Kar.
Ayush, who is he? कर्सर देखिरहेको होला है.
देखिरहेछ sir.
Yes, who is he? We
Sir,
have.
I think it's Mussolini.
That's right.
सर
answer.
यो को मलाई थाहा छ
Ayush has scored
हेलो सर
1 point.
Hello.
1 point. Yes.
यो त रवि लामिछाने जस्तो अनुहार छ सर यो त रवि लामिछाने हुन सक्छ नि सर
No. त्यसरी उल्पट्याङ कुरा नगर यसरी. अरु बोल्न पाउँदैन है. झलक. अरूले
ल
साथीहरुलाई
हामी चाहिँ बोल्नै नपाउने हो सर
बोल्न पाउँदैन.
Yes.
मैले उनीहरुले आन्सर भनेन भने मात्र then you can ask.
You don't will come.
You can. Okay. Your name is also coming from the mouth of our Chalak. Who is speaking? Now 2 names I want from Chalak. Hello Chalak. Look at the participants and your
Aman
course.
and Deepsika Vandara.
Okay, Aman and Deepsika Pandara. Then after then
Aman Bala and Deepsika.
you can take the name of E and F section after this. Okay, after Aman and what? Aman and Deepsika, ready or not?
Deepsika.
Hello, Aman, Deepak. Aman and Deepsika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we have next. For Deepsika, left hand side. Okay, left hand side. Which canal is this one?
So I think time is off.
What? Time is over. Yes, Sajan has said. And next on right hand side, Deepsika. Which jatra is this? Deepsika. Actually, it is Biska. Okay, right answer. 1 mark for. Okay, two students. Hello, Chalak. 1 point for Deepsika.
Sir, Aman Bala.
Okay,
So Aman Bala
Bala.
with
Okay, Aman Bala is here or not? Aman Bala is not responding. Once again,
I think he left.
two students' name looking at your
Sir.
participants on the screen.
Sir, Anjali Pandey and Rajesh Rai.
Okay, Rajesh. Hello, Rajesh. Is it Rajesh or not? Anjali Pandey. Hello, Anjali. Not responding. Next, two names I want. Next, again.
Rosa Tatmo and Raj Sukupayo.
Okay, Raj. Raj, are you fine or not?
Yes, sir.
Raj and what? Next.
Sir,
Hello?
Rosa Tatamo.
Roja. Okay. For Raj, then after Roja. For Raj, what is his name? Music maestro. Passed away on just 23, Baisakh 23, 2078. What is his name, Raj? You have only 5 seconds. Sajan, looking at time or not?
It's a little bit net problem. So
Net problem. Okay, time is over. Yes. Roja. Is here Roja or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me
Sir,
about.
what was the question?
Tell me about this picture, right hand side picture. What is happening here? What is happening? Come on.
सर त्यो हजुरको पछाडि को हो नि सर?
Who is happening? Nobody is here. You are not
हजुरको
allowed.
पछाडि हेर्नु न, हजुरको
Sir,
पछाडि हेर्नु न।
Gaza attack.
What?
Gaza attack.
Once again, what is happening here? Yeah.
Gaza attack.
Gaza attack. Okay, right answer. Gaza attack from Israel. Yes, ceasefire was taken place lately. Hello, Chalak. 1 mark or 1 point for Roja. Next two names. Next participants.
So Amrit Tamang and Sudeep Ulak.
Amrit Tama. Hello, Amrit.
Yes, sir.
And Sudeep. Sudeep as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For Amrit, left hand side. Okay. Chalak, just remind me how many questions were gone today so far. Amrit, tell me. What do you mean by this picture? Very simple. What do you mean by this picture? Amrit Tamang.
Nepali.
Hello, Amrit.
T20 cricket. Thai nation champion. Cricket.
You need to say game's name.
A cricket Thai nation champion, Nepal.
Okay, that's right answer.
Yep.
1 point for Amrit. Next one is which Chalak?
Sir, Sudeep Ulak.
Okay, Sudeep. Is here or not, Sudeep? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Sudeep. Who is captain of this cricket team? Nepalese national cricket or national cricket team of Nepal? Who is captain of this team? First, otherwise pass.
Pass, sir. Pass.
Okay. Sajan is not responding. Sneha, you should play role of timekeeper. Hello, Sneha. Sneha, is Sneha here or not? Sajan has net problem. Sneha is here or not? Chalak, 2 names.
She is not here, sir, right now.
Otherwise, Vijaya. Vijaya, timekeeper, 5 seconds.
हजुर सर
5 seconds for each question's answer. Okay, you are timekeeper.
सर यहाँ एउटा कुरा भन्नु थियो
Yes, yes.
एकछिन
Ask.
यहाँ च्याटमा के भनिरहेछ राजु भन्ने तपाईँको क्लास बोर भयो अरे के भन्दैछ
हो सर बोर लाग्यो अरे कस्तो बोरिङ
अब
क्लास
I'm
रे
removing-
कस्तो फेस रे के भनिरहेछ झन् डाइरेक्ट मेसेज गरेर
No more talk.
ओ म्याडम तिम्रो फेस देखेर कस्तो डरै लाग्छ त्यो भागेको कुरा त भनिरहेको छु नि म
I am removing.
झलक नाम
डिभिजनमा
राखेर
क्लिक गरेर बोर
I am removing them.
ल
Those who are
झलक नाम राखिरहेछ सर अहिले
nasty.
झलक खत्री होइन अर्को झलक बनाइरहेछ
It's okay. Okay, 2 names.
सर कन्टिन्यू
Two names. Yes, 2 names. Chalak. Hello, Chalak. Why not say?
Sir, I'm listening. Sir, we have passed altogether 9 questions
9
in this round.
Okay, last question for this visual round. Then after we will heading for a GK round. Okay, 2 students name I want first.
Sir, participants, Samir Khanal, last question.
Okay, Samir Khanal, get ready. Hello, Samir.
Azure sir.
Yes, ready? Only Samir is left,
Yes,
or
sir,
from
in
each
this round.
section.
Sir, last question. So,
Okay, last question. For last question, Samir. Where is the headquarter of UNO? City name I want. Hello.
टाइम अफ सर
Time off. Okay, thank you so much. Anybody guess?
US.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have next round. I want to start audio round rather than GK. Get ready. 2 students name once again.
Sir, Niruta KC and Sangche Tamang.
Okay. Sanchen. Is there Sanchen or not? Hello, Sanchen.
I think she has left, so I want to say next name.
Yes, next.
Next is again repeat Lalita Thapa.
Okay, Lalita Thapa, get ready. Yeah. Lalita, listening or not?
हजुर सर
Okay.
सुनिरहेको छु सर
After Lalita, also think of
So Lalita and Niruta KC. I think Niruta is also absent. So Lalita and Prasad Magar.
Please listen about your आवाज आइरहेको छ राम्ररी कविता सुरु भइरहेछ है
सर सुनिरहेको छैन कि नि
हैन आवाज आइरहेको छैन
बुझ्न चाहिँ बुझिरहेको छैन
बुझिरहेछ है जरुर साथी म पागल फिनिश्ड हु इज पोइट अफ दिस पोइम
के भन्नुभयो सर
हु इज पोइट अफ दिस पोइम
त्योभन्दा अगाडि के भन्नुभयो
कविको नाम के भनेको के पोइट
अब कुन कविता नै
जरुर साथी म पागल सक्यो पागल कविता त्यो कविताको शीर्षक
खै थाहा भएन
once
थाहा
again
भएन सर
okay
थाहा भएन
anybody इट इज अफ लक्ष्मी प्रसाद देवकोटा। लक्ष्मी प्रसाद देवकोटा, महाकवि देवकोटाको पागल सुनेन भने त हामी आफै पागल जस्तै हुन्छ। सो एभ्रीबडी यु सुड रिसाइट, यु सुड स्टडी, यु सुड रिड। ओके नेक्स्ट वान झलक।
Sir, Prasad Magar.
Prasad Magar. Where is Prasad or not here? Why not responding? Where is Prasad? No, not responding Prasad. खै त अरुको
Then
नाम
Rupa Dahal.
रूपा
Dahal.
त्यो लिस्ट राम्रो हेर्नु हैन, रेस्पोन्स दिइरहेको छैन कसैले पनि। ई र एफ नचाहिने मात्र कुरा गर्छन् तिनीहरू।
So Rupa Dahal, I think responding.
Okay, next one Rupa Dahal. Yeah, definitely we have, but not responding. Next one. एकपल्ट लिने अरु कहाँ गइहाल्ने के?
Then Krenika Banju.
Okay, not responding. उस्तो झलकले नाम लिने बित्तिकै छिटो रेस्पोन्स दिनु के? Next.
हजुर सर।
Okay, Krenika. Okay, just listen to me. Okay. Now you have to listen this one. Songs. Git सुरु भयो है? रूपा दाहालको माइक चल्दैन भनिरहेछ। सिमसिमे पानी सुनिरहेको होला नि अलिले है? झलक सुनिरहेछ है यो गीत?
अनि सर सिमसिमे पानी त भिटेनले गाएको हो, त्यो त सुनिहाल्छ नि सर हामीले।
Okay, ल भन्नु who is singer I want. We have two singers but you have to say one's name. एकजनाको भन्नु पर्यो, male or females.
मेल हो नि, भिटेन हो, भिटेन, जय भिटेन।
नवीन केसी। यो क्रेनिकाको लागि हो। हेलो क्रेनिका, your time is over.
टाइम अफ सर।
त्यही त भन्दै भनेन आन्सर, अनि के गर्नु त? ल नेक्स्ट वान झलक।
So next participants again Amrit Tamang.
ल अमृत तामाङ।
Yes sir.
रातो र चन्द्र सूर्य भनेको छ हो के न? Who wrote this song? गीतको रचनाकार को हुनुहुन्छ? गोपाल योन्जन म्युजिक कम्पोजर, रबिन श्रेष्ठ, सुनिता सुब्बा एज अ सिंगर।
रातो चन्द्र नेपथ्य हो नि सर, नेपथ्यले गाएको हो यो गीत।
भन्नु त अमृत।
अरे नेपथ्यले गाएको हो क्या सर यो गीत, सुन्नु न नेपथ्यको।
सर थाहा छैन मलाई।
त्यो राजलाई म रिमुभ गरिदिएँ है मैले, राजलाई।
सर म होइन नि।
राजको नामबाट आइरहेछ, को त्यो जथाभावी बोल्ने?
सर मेरो फुल नेम छ त।
ओके नेक्स्ट आई वान्ट यो छ नि गोपाल योन्जनको नाम लिइसकेँ मैले, म्युजिक मास्ट्रो हु इज अल्सो म्युजिक कम्पोजर अफ नेसनल एन्थेम। गोपाल प्रसाद रिमाल हो यसको है। ल अब नेक्स्ट वान इज।
होइन सर, होइन क्या सर, यो नेपथ्यले गाएको कस्तो तपाईँले गिद्दी हान्नु भइरहेछ नि सर मलाई।
अब then after next one is we have, I have removed Deepak. अर्को नाम भन्नु त झलक। झलक
Sir, it's Sri Krishna.
ल हेलो, is Sri Krishna here?
Hello. Next Anjali Pandey.
Anjali Pandey.
Hello Anjali. Also responding. Next Sahil Lama.
Okay, Sahil. Sahil not responding. हेर यहाँ कसैले पनि nobody is responding from E. कसैको माइक मिलेको छैन भन्छ, राज एकजनाले गरेको छ है। Then after
Sir Ayush Ranjitkar.
Okay, Ayush from section A only you can say. Ayush.
Yes sir.
Okay. सुनिन्छ है। ल फेरि एकपल्ट सिङ्गरको नाम लिए है त मैले। दुईजनाले गाएको होइन, एकजना मात्र। यु क्यान से वान मेल अर फिमेल्स नेम। यु क्यान गेस एज वेल इफ यु डोन्ट नो।
एकछिन है सर, यसको थाहा भएन सर यसको।
एनीबडी? हेलो, प्रेमरोज प्रधान एन्ड तारा देवी। प्रेमरोज प्रधान एन्ड तारा देवी 1955। कति वर्ष पुरानो भयो? यु क्यान क्यालकुलेट। 45 प्लस 2 47 67 इयर्स एगो पुरानो गीत है यो। पछि अरूले गाएको हो यो। ओके, झलक।
So next participants, Raj Sukupayo.
ल राज सुकुपायो। ओके, आइरहेछ है म्युजिक त। ल देन आफ्टर ल वही सिङ्गर राज
नारायण गोपाल।
नारायण गोपालले पनि गीत गाएको त हो यो। यो चाहिँ रामेश श्रेष्ठले गाएको। टुडे इज बर्थडे अफ श्रीचरण श्रेष्ठ, युग कवि भन्छौँ नि है। श्रीचरण श्रेष्ठद्वारा लिखित गीत हो। अब लास्ट अडियो फर टुडे। हेलो चल।
Next, Deepak Bika.
दीपक, ल
हजुर सर।
Deepak, fast. We might have heard many times this song. Whatever you know, you can say. रचनाकार है, संगीतकार, गायक जे बने पनि हुन्छ। ल दीपक।
नारायण गोपाल।
मिलेन त। ल कसलाई थाहा छ भन्नु पनि हुन्छ। ल
माधव प्रसाद घिमिरे, नातिकाजी श्रेष्ठ।
नातिकाजी श्रेष्ठ, माधव सर घिमिरे एन्ड
प्रेमध्वज प्रधान।
नो, नातिकाजी हिमसेल्फ एज अ सिङ्गर है। ल ओके, इन दिस वे आवर audio round is finished. Now heading for next two. Like before, two students are the participants' name I want.
So again, to participants, we have Samir Khanal and Deepsika Vandara.
Okay, Samir and Deepsika. Now we are in top round, 2 marks. If you say correct answer, then you can secure 2 marks. Okay, Deepsika, Samir, ready? Hello, Deepsika.
Ready, sir.
Okay. Great Lakes name I want. We can find there in North America. Great Lakes को नाम भन्नु न, जति आउँछ त्यति भन्नु न। Try yourself. Superior त्यस्तो छ नि त, 5 वटाको थियो, अझै 4 वटा बाँकी छ हैन। Fast or do pass? Pass. I think time is over. Vijay, I am not responding as a timekeeper. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Ontario, and Erie. Next one, को रे हाम्रो बाबु पछि को, समीर पछि को रे? चल।
Deepsika.
Hello, Deepsika. Tell me the capacity of Budi Gandaki hydropower project. Budi Gandaki hydropower project को कति छ capacity? Yes.
Time over.
Time over. Okay, next one to two persons, two participants. Chalak. 1200 megawatt. Hello, Chalak. Fast.
So Roja Tachamo and Prasad Magar.
Roja Tachamo, you have to say when was the referendum taken place in Nepal? Nepal ma referendum kaile bhako re?
क्या तुम मनोगे मेरे बच्चों की अम्मी?
भन्नु त ल.
Sir, 2047 years.
Yes, full date. 37 right. If you say 2 marks.
Time over.
Okay, 120 Baisakh 20. Next one. अर्को भन्ने थियो प्रसाद मगर. Hello Prasad. Prasad, is here or not responding? Otherwise, 2 names. Chalak. Prasad saying or not? Not
and Sri Krishna.
What?
Amrit Tamang and Sri Krishna.
Amrit Tamang. Hello Amrit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amrit, you have to say who is the deputy commander of People's Movement first? Deputy commander. Commander is Ganesman Singh. So People's Movement first 2046. 2046 सालको जनआन्दोलनको डेपुटी कमान्डर अथवा सह कमान्डर को रे? Fast. Time is over, I think.
Time off.
Okay, next one. Next one. Hello.
So next Ayush Ranjitkar.
Ayush, capital of Lumbini province.
Excuse sir, what was the question?
Capital of Lumbini province.
Sir, capital is maybe
Lumbini province. I think time is over. Vijay is not responding.
Time off, sir.
25 seconds.
Sir, Baluwang.
Baluwang होइन देवपुरी हो देवपुरी है त. The next one Jalak. Two students I want, just 2 students. Then after top round is also over, will be over. Fast.
Sir, Sahil Lama and Raj Sukupaya.
Sahil Lama, Raj Sukupayale जसले भने पनि हुन्छ ल. I am very flexible. First Bank of Nepal. Tell me the first Bank of Nepal. Your account लिएको हो नि हैन र राज? राज?
हजुर सर.
नेपाल
राष्ट्र बैंक लिमिटेड.
नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंक नेपाल बैंक लिमिटेड हो.
लिमिटेड सर, लिमिटेड. नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंक लिमिटेड हैन सर?
राष्ट्र बैंक भन्नु नि नेपाल बैंक लिमिटेड भन्नु पर्ने है त. ल, once again we are okay. Jalak, so far score you can say.
So only 4 students are able to score, and they are Ayush Ranjitkar, Deepsika Vandara, Raj Sukupaya, and Roja Tachamo. With Raj Sukupaya with 2 marks, which is highest.
Yes. Okay. Then after next one, for two students name I want, because we have only 5 minutes left here.
Next, we have small number of participants. So participants are repeated again. Samir Khanal and Deepak Bika.
Samir, ready? Samir and Deepak. Samir.
Yes, sir.
We have 17
Yes, sir.
goals in the sustainable development. Yes, 17 goals or not sustainable development. When will this development goal end? Sustainable development goal कहिले ending हुन्छ रे? कुन सालमा? Samir, fast. We have only 5 seconds.
Time off.
2030.
2030. Time off भनिसकेको छ. What to do? That's right answer. Next one.
2015.
2030 हो है. Time off भएको बेला त्यसलाई 1 mark दिइहालौँ नि त ल. Hello Jalak. Next one.
Deepak Bika.
What? Once again?
Deepak Bika.
Okay, Deepak. Deepak, when do we celebrate
हजुर सर.
Planet Day? शहीद दिवस कहिले मनाउँछौँ हामी?
16 mark.
That's right answer. Next 2 students. Jalak, fast. Jalak. Hello. Repeatedly you can say.
So next,
अर्को तयारी गर्दै
Amrit Tamang and Shriyaram Mandal.
ल सियारामले बोलिरहेको छैन एक्चुअली हेरौँ है सियाराम अमृत वित्तीय
अमृत
साक्षरता
तामाङ सियाराम भन्न
वित्तीय साक्षरतालाई हामी के भन्छौँ यहाँ वित्तीय साक्षरताको बारे एउटा त्यहाँ मिटिङ भइरहेछ हो गाउँघरको एउटा सिन हो अमृतले भन्नु पर्यो वित्तीय साक्षरतालाई हामी अङ्ग्रेजीमा के भन्छौँ टाइमकिपर
टाइम अफ
ओके सियाराम छ कि छैन सियाराम बोलेको छैन है सियारामले ल अर्को राखिदियो एकजना सियारामको ठाउँमा झलक नेक्स्ट अर्को 2 जना तयारी गर्नु 3 जना तयार गर्नु पर्यो अब छिटो फास्ट हेलो झलकको के भइरहेछ नेट प्रब्लम इज योर नेट प्रब्लम हो हेलो
झलकै आउट भयो
ल विजयले नि भनिदिनु त्यसो भए पछि मिलाइदिन्छु नि ल पछि तिम्रो थपेर पछि झलकले त्यो रिजल्ट भन्छ नि ओके झलक आइरहेछ ल त्यसो भए एकजनाको नाम भन्नु त अहिले विजयले पछि झलकले हेर्छ छिटो फास्ट
रोजा त चामो
ल रोजा हेलो रोजा 15औं योजना देखिरा होला नि हो यो 15औं योजना इकोनोमिक प्लान भनेको 15औं योजना भनेको यो राष्ट्रिय योजना आयोगले बनाउँछ हैन अब 15औं योजना भनेपछि कुन सालदेखि कुन सालसम्म ल भन्नु ल मैले अर्को देखाइसकेँ कुन सालदेखि कुन सालसम्म हुन्छ 15औं योजना भन्न त भर्खर मैले भिडियो फोटो देखाइरहेको थिएँ नि त मैले है ल भन्नु पर्यो झलकले अर्को 2 जनाको तयारी गर्दै गर्नु त छिटो अहिले नै नाम भन्नु त मलाई अनि यसले माइक म्युट गर्छ
Sir, Amrit Tamang.
So as we can save our time. So Rosa is not saying Amrit Tamang get ready. Yeah. Rosa 2076 2077 देखि 2080 81 हो 15 plan भनेको है त. It's a tricky question. Yeah, Amrit Tamang.
Yes sir.
This is of First World War. When was it taken place? Only year I want. Year. कहिले देखि कहिलेसम्म भएको? Timekeeper 5 seconds.
टाइम अफ
1914 देखि 1919 सम्म 2 जनाको नाम भन्नु त झलक छिटो भनिहाल्नु न
Sir, Raj Sukupayo and Ayush Ranjitkar.
ल राज सुकुपायले भन्नु पर्यो यतापट्टिको मान्छे को हो नेपालको फ्ल्याग बोक्नु इट इज रिलेटेड टु अनटचेबिलिटी बिकज अफ अनटचेबिलिटी ही वाज किल्ड
यो एन बाट आउँछ सर कस्तो कन्फ्युज होइन नामै
यस यस यु क्यान गेस हाम्रो राजसँगै कोरिया बाबु अर्को
टाइम अफ
ह्युमन रिपोर्ट
Sir,
डेभलप
Ayush Ranjitkar.
हो ह्युमन रिपोर्ट डेभलपमेन्ट कसले which organization publishes annually Ayush
Yes, sir.
yes which organization publishes this report UNDP report
Sir, HDI को
yeah
यो HDI को हो सर
UNDP नै छ नि त यहाँ
टाइम अफ
okay time off okay less than 1 minute actually it is over it is related to Pearl Harbor 1941 on December 7 Japan attack America's Pearl Harbor it is related to museum है हाम्रो म्युजियम के छ दरबार हाम्रो 90 म्युजियम भन्छौँ नि हैन then after 7 cooperative principles and the state of Zimbabwe that separate